Hey there, this is a quick video on how to update the audio system on your vehicle. So you go to update.hyundai.com, you go to the notifications here, and you click on it. This screen will pop up. You go to the audio. So you click here on display audio, software updates. You scroll down and you select the list of vehicles eligible. And then you find your vehicle. So for instance, the 2022 Tucson, you download the file and then you basically follow the instructions here. So you take the file and then you put it on a USB stick, and then basically you plug the USB stick into the vehicle and then go to software updates, press update, and let the vehicle run. The update process should take between 10 to 15 minutes. Please leave your vehicle running and do not remove the USB device until the update is complete. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any trouble, and let me know if this solves the issue.